Oh, well, we're here for another video. Now, what we're going to do today is take a look at number 1, 2, and 5. First of all, notice something, that the 3 is prime, and 3 does go into 12, so we want to break down the square root of 12. So why don't we do this? This is negative 2 square root 4 square root 3, because 12, square root of 12 is square root of 4 times square root of 3, which is negative 2 times 2 times square root 3. All right? So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, so we have negative 4 square root 3 minus 3 square root 3. Well, how many square root of 3's? Well, here, the way of looking at this is negative 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is nothing more than the same as negative 7 root 3. All right? Now you could say negative 4 root 3 plus negative 3 root 3, but I would normally in high school you'd never do such a thing. It's called adding the opposite, which is negative 7 root 3. That's your answer. All right, we'll check that with the back. Yes, it is. It's correct. All right, next problem. Next problem, notice that 2 does go into 18, so negative 2 square root 9 square root 2 minus square root 2. All right? Now, I chose 2 times 9 because, well, 2 goes in the 18 9 times. So this is negative 2 times 3 times the square root of 2 minus square root of 2. So negative 6 square root 2 minus square root 2. Now technically, this is negative 6 square root 2 minus 1 square root 2. Because a minus square root of 2 is really a minus 1 square root of 2. So let's add the opposite. Again, at the high school, you just say you got negative 6, you got negative 1, it's negative 7 root 6. Oh, wait, I wrote it wrong. Let me fix that. That's not a root 6. Root 2. There we go. Sorry about that. Normally, you'd say you've got negative 6 root 2's minus 1 root 2 is negative 7 root 2, but you can do this. The junior high, they always add the opposite. You could do this. Negative 6 and negative 1 is negative 7 square root 2. Okay, that's that. Double check with the back. All right, let's do one more. Let's come over here. Let's do number 2. Now this one's number 5, sorry. Number 5, it says negative 2 root 2 minus root 2. So it's negative 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. All right? So this is the same as, because you're negative 2 root 2 plus negative 1 root 2. Now, I just did this for the junior high kids. At the high school, you say you've got 2 negative root 2. You've got 2 negative root 2's and another one's negative 3 root 2. So negative 2 root 2 plus negative 1 root 2 is negative 3 root 2. And you're done with the problem. And folks, that should be it. Let me double check. That's number 5. And the video is done. There is one problem that involves addition. I'll leave that for you. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.